video is about using Turf Plus for project management, which is an exciting new system that we have set up in Turf Plus. So like most things in Turf Plus, it's done to be simple. It's not a full project management system like Aconex or something like that. It's to manage the projects that turf farmers are likely to carry out. So there is the project management form, which we're actually going to get to later because we're going to start by looking in applications, the record keeping, in document management to see where the project management forms, because these are actually the most important part of the system. Now you'll see there is 4 sections, 4 different types of documents under project management, which is number 15 under document management. Let's start by having a look at tender documents. Now what this is a way of housing all the documents that you will require or may require to win tenders, because that's the starting point of all projects. Now, in fact, the first document, how to use Turf Plus to help win tenders, that is an explanatory document, which I'll open and explain to you. So there it is, how to use Turf Plus to help win tenders. It's just one page and it explains how you can use the system for winning tenders, okay? And all the other documents that you require, I recommend you open them up and have a read through and see how you can use Turf Plus to help you win tenders. All right, I guess the next step of the system is you have won the tender. Next part is about contractor management. Okay, now again, what we've done here is put in heaps of documents to help you with contractor management, but there is also this document here, how to use Turf Plus to manage contractors for projects. Let's have a look at that. So again, this is the explanatory document of how to manage contractors from engagement, induction, and then ongoing management of the contractors on site. The term contractors, you may be thinking subcontractors. It doesn't matter. That's, you know what I mean if I talk about contractors or subcontractors, same thing. Okay. And you can see here, these are all the documents. Again, I recommend you open them up and have a bit of a look. So what else do we have to do within a project? We need to manage the project and the employees. Now, there are a huge number of documents in here. These documents are actually accessed from the Turf Plus system. I've just made them easy to access from within a project so you can use them in that way. And again, this has an explanatory document. Let's have a look at it. This explanatory document is a bit longer and it just goes through all the aspects of project management, including inducting your employees. Let's face it, hopefully you've already inducted all your employees, but if not, you need to do so. And establishing the site, managing the running of the project, and that explains all the documents that are in the system. So let's go back to and you can see, yes, there's lots of documents in there. I guess this is designed for paper records of a lot of project documents, but there's plenty that you can actually do in the Turf Plus system. So electronic records, I've just made it so that you can have the choice, and I think it's a bit hard to avoid some paper documents or some documents that you'll require to share with other stakeholders. Okay, what's the fourth and final section of the project management? It's document management. Now, again, there's an explanatory document. Let's open that. And it's just a simple one page that explains how you can use Turf Plus for document management. And yes, there's quite a lot of documents you might need to manage within a project, depending on how big it is. Let's go back and have a look what else is in this folder. There's actually only one other document, and it is in fact a video. Let's go and have a look at it. It's the video that explains how to use the project management form. Okay, so the project management form refers to the electronic form that you can use to house your documents from a project. Let's have a look at that. So we'll go back home where the project management form is. You heard me refer to it earlier. So it's under Start New Operations. There it is, project management form. Now this form is simply to house documents that will be associated with a project. Okay, now there's the video, as I just explained, tells you how to do this, so I won't explain that now. All right, so this is a nice, simple system for managing projects. I think it's really good for turf farms. It's just the right size. And look, you've already got it as part of your package rather than send a lot of money to Aconex or something like that. And that's how the project management function works.